Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk about this awesome little speaker from a company called Chifinchi. This is their golf Bluetooth speaker. Now, it's golf because it can be used when you're golfing, but that's definitely not the only time you'd want to use this speaker because this is a really awesome speaker. And it does come in a 1-pack or a 2-pack. I have a 2-pack, and I'm going to be demoing these for you soon. But let's talk about some of the features real quick. It's tiny little speaker, but 15 watts of power, really loud for this little speaker. It's amazing the sound that comes out of this thing. It is also shockproof. It is waterproof. It has this nice carabiner on the top to hang it onto something. It's got a magnet, really strong magnet on the back, so you can stick it to metal to be able to put it in more places. Nice rubber feet on the bottom to set it anywhere you want. On the side here, you've got this completely covered auxiliary jack and charging USB Type-C charging port to charge it up. And on a charge, it'll go for about 24 hours, depending on the volume level that you're using it at, but it'll go for about 24 hours, which is awesome. You've got controls on the top to control everything, power, volume, next and previous. You can also use this to take phone calls. It has a mic built into it, and that's not even the most powerful part of this. What's awesome is that these connect to each other. So if you have 2, you can connect 2. If you have 10, you can connect 10 of them. All connected to Bluetooth, all playing the same thing. So great to have like sitting around at a party or something, or hanging around. That's what's great. You can put these anywhere to get the sound everywhere you need it to be through Bluetooth, and it works really, really great. So that's the highlights, but now let's jump over to a video. I'm going to demo these for you so you can see them in action and see how cool they really are. Okay, so I have both speakers here. I'm going to long press this one to turn it on. Because it's already connected to my phone before, it's going to connect again automatically. If not, you'd go into settings and connect for the first time. And it's paired, and there's a little Bluetooth light there letting you know that it is connected. Now what you do to connect these two together, first you short press that one. That puts it in the mode, and you can see it's flashing green to blue to let you know it's ready. Then I'm going to power this one on, and I'm going to short press it to put it in connecting mode. And then these two will connect to each other. That one just made a little ding sound. I'll let you know that's connected. So now we're going to start playing music from my phone. And it is playing through both. So you've got 2 speakers for good sound everywhere, stereo sound however you want it. Just to give you, this is pretty low. Now you use these controls to turn up or turn down the volume, and they get pretty darn loud. If you long press it, then it's next or previous. So a single tap, that's pause. A single tap of these is to increase volume or decrease volume, and a long press is to next or previous. So yeah, you can see it works really, really great. Okay, so I've got the golf speakers mounted on that pole and that pole using the magnets. They're stuck to it, and you can see I'm probably about 8.5, 10 feet away from the camera. Each of these speakers is probably about 12 to 13 feet, and I'm gonna play some music so you can see just how loud these speakers can get. This is low volume right here. That's medium volume. Now this is low volume, so if you just wanted ambient sound, like an area like this, at the lowest volume, it's pretty decent volume, and then it can get pretty loud. So as as you can see, even though these are called golf speakers, the applications are really endless. Besides being awesome for a game of golf, you could use these hiking, you could use these roller skating, you could use these around your backyard during a party, around your house, anywhere. And the fact that you can connect multiple speakers together, not just when you're using Bluetooth, but also if you're plugged into auxiliary. So if you got something plugged into that auxiliary jack on the main one, you can dub that to every other speaker that's connected. Just really awesome. And they're waterproof, so you don't have to worry about them being outside if it rains or if you're using them around a pool. No worries with them getting splashed, they'll be fine. Also up to 15 watts of sound, so they can get really, really loud, which is great. And on top of that, you've got the magnets and the carabiner to put them anywhere you need them to go. So just really, really excellent speakers by Chafinci. If you're looking for a small, portable Bluetooth speaker, then this is great. If you're looking for a series of Bluetooth speakers that you can use to get stereo sound or get sound all the way around in an area using multiple speakers, then this is absolutely the product for you. It is a really excellent product and definitely one that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. If you have any questions, post them down in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.